Hello and welcome everyone to this video tutorial. My name is Kumar Saurabh. In this video, we will be dive into one of the essential SQL commands, the update statement. When managing data in databases, it's often necessary to modify existing records, and that's where the update statement comes into play. We will explore its syntax, discuss how it works, and provide a practical example to illustrate its uses, including a single row updation, multiple rows updation, and using a returning clause to fetch the updated rows. So let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have a PostgreSQL installed and a sample database to work with. Let's create a simple table named employees to demonstrate the update statement. The table contains 3 columns, ID, name, and salary. Now let's explore the syntax of update statement in PostgreSQL. The update statement allows us to modify existing records in a table. We specify table we want to update after the update keyword. Then using the set clause, we define the column value pairs that we want to change. The where clause is optional but critical as it specifies the condition that determines which rows will be updated. If no where clause is provided, all rows in a table will be updated. Let's start with a simple example to update a single row in employees table. Suppose we want to increase the Benjamin's salary from $50,000 to $62,000. In this example, we use the update statement to modify the employees table. The set clause specifies that we want to update the salary column and set it to $62,000. The where clause ensured that this update is applied only to the row where the name column is Benjamin. As you can see in the output, Benjamin's salary is updated to $62,000. Now let's move on to updating multiple rows in employees table. Imagine we need to give a 10% raise to all employees earning less than $60,000. In this example, we use the update statement to modify the employees table once again. The set clause now calculates the new salary by multiplying the existing salary by 1.1, which is a 10% increase. The where clause ensured that this update is applied only to rows where the salary is less than $60,000. All qualifying employees, including Steven and Jobs, receive a 10% salary raise. After executing the code, you can see that all the employees' salary has been increased by 10%. Lastly, let's explore how to use a returning clause with the update statement. The returning clause allows us to fetch the rows affected by the update operation. In this example, we use the update statement to modify the employees table once again. The set clause multiplies the existing salary by 1.05, which is a 5% increase, and the where clause specifies that this update is applied only to rows where the name column is either Steven or Josh. With the returning clause, we can see in the output we retrieve the updated rows that meet the specified condition. That concludes our tutorial on update statement in PostgreSQL. If you have learned its syntax and seen a practical example of single row and multi-rows updation, and how to use returning clause to fetch the updated rows. So at last, I want to say don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you.